Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a chatbot with HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main home screen. This is your starting point for accessing the tools you need. If you are already logged in, you should see the primary navigation menu along the side of the page. Take a moment to get oriented so it is easier to follow the next steps smoothly. From the left navigation panel, move your mouse over the Surface option. You do not need to click right away if the menu expands on hover. This section contains the customer support and messaging tools in HubSpot, which is where chatbots and live chat experiences are managed. Hovering here helps reveal the submenu so you can quickly find the right feature. Once the submenu appears, click on Chatflows. This will take you to the area where HubSpot lets you build and manage website chat experiences. Chatflows are the tools used to create either live chat widgets or chatbot conversations for your site visitors. So this is the correct place to begin setup. When the Chatflows page opens, look to the top right corner and click Create Chatflow. This starts the creation process for a new chat experience. If you already have existing chat flows listed, do not worry. You are simply creating a new one, and the button in the top right is the fastest way to do that. Next, choose Website. This option is used when you want the chatbot to appear on your website for visitors. Be sure to select the website option carefully, since HubSpot may offer other types of chat flow destinations depending on your account setup. After selecting Website, click Next to continue. This moves you into the setup stage, where HubSpot will guide you through the configuration options for your chatbot. At this point, the platform begins walking you through the details needed to create the chat experience. From here, follow the on-screen procedure until the chatbot is created. HubSpot will present the remaining setup screens, and these typically include options related to the chatbot's behavior, appearance, and how it should interact with visitors. As you move through each screen, read the prompts carefully and confirm your selections before continuing. Taking your time here can help ensure the chatbot matches your intended use and is ready to support visitors effectively. Once you finish the on-screen setup, your chatbot will be created and ready for the next stage of review or publishing inside HubSpot. That's it for this guide on creating a chatbot with HubSpot.